Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can upload high quality picture on Facebook. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, all you gotta do is simply go ahead, first of all, access your particular Facebook app on your mobile phone. Now once you have done so, this is how it's gonna appear, right? Now go ahead, tap on this option of profile icon with menu icon on top right. Tap on this option of settings, and here in the section you're gonna find this kind of interface, right? Simply go ahead, scroll, and in the preference section you're gonna find this option of media. Go ahead, tap on it, and now you can see you do have this video quality. You can see optimized adjust video to network condition. If you want to open data saver, you're gonna reduce by 40% less data, and it's gonna reduce the video quality, so make sure it's optimized. And if you scroll down, you won't be able to find any other option for your images, right? So for that, you have to go back, access your Facebook Lite instead, tap on this three horizontal on top right, scroll down, tap on this option of settings, simply again scroll and try to find your particular option of media here in the preference section. Now here in the section you're going to find your option of photo quality, which is high, and video quality, which is also optimized. So you can simply download Facebook Lite, access your account, post from over here, which will be posted on high quality, and even if you go to back your Facebook, you will still find the post and it will be uploaded in the high quality. So that is the option you can adapt. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.